Hello dolls and gents, and welcome back to another video. And this is going to be my final, I think my final, they haven't said, but the Dossier review. I like bringing these scents to you guys to let you guys know how it really is and if they really smell close to the fragrance, if I've smelt that fragrance before. I choose sometimes a lot of the higher end fragrances because before you pay $400 for a fragrance, you really want to know if you're going to like it. And I really do have to say that this company really has gotten as close as I have seen, as close to a lot of the high end fragrances. So I am able to really look at it and see like, okay, is this something I want to spend $300-400 for on my body chemistry or not? Now, everybody's body chemistry is different. So disclaimer, just because it doesn't smell good on me does not mean it won't smell good on you. For those who entered the giveaway, I know everybody has contacted me and y'all have received y'all perfumes. April, I think I still have yours. If you can find a way to get me your address, you say you're having a hard time emailing me. YouTube kind of restricts putting the email, but my email address is in the beauty bar or the box or on several videos. It's Renee, RENEE, Savage 0409 at gmail.com. Okay, and you can go on Instagram and send me your email address and DM me if you're being blocked on Google. I get a lot of emails from a lot of subscribers, so I don't know why yours is being blocked. You can send me yours and I will search my junk mail and my spam, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, I still have one to send to you. If not, I will send you something else, but I think I still have yours. So everybody that entered, thank you so very much. It is a great program, and you can send it back, guys. You're not taking a risk or losing anything. You can return it for a full refund if you don't like the smell. So if you're a perfume junkie like me, this is something that you definitely want to check out. The company is Dossier, Dossier. I have a coupon code. They are sending it to me as I record, so it's going to be down below in the beauty bar. If I forget, my old faithfuls, y'all let me know. Someone before was like, oh, they can't enter the code. They don't see where to enter the code. I don't know if they were just playing around, or I never seen that person before. No shade, no tea. But on their website, when you go to checkout, when you're in the checkout, it says gift card, promo code, coupon. You can put the code in there, you guys. And to get a $400 perfume for $29 and then get a percentage off, what are you losing? They even have $19 perfumes. And I'm giving you a coupon code. So if there's anything you ever wanted to try, from Tom Ford on down to Good Girl, on down to Lancome or whatever, if there's anything you ever wanted to try, the 540 that everybody, Baccarat Rouge, you have nothing to lose. Even if you just try one, send one to a family member. They have men's fragrances, so Father's Day, Mother's Day, your husband's birthday, your dad, you have nothing to lose. If they don't like it, they can let you know. You can send it back. So the first one that I have here, this one is, and I'm going to smell so good because I'm getting ready to go to church and I'm going to spray all of this on me. This is Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge Eau de Perfume. This is 18% concentrate. Y'all got to listen to the concentrate that's in here. The top notes are neroli, cardamom, bergamot, and pepper. The middle is jasmine, sambac, yang yang, and bloom flower. The base notes is labadum, clary sage, and vanilla. Also, if you go on their page and choose a perfume, they tell you the one that it will mix well with. I mix perfumes all the time. So there was somebody that commented and said, oh, I got one, but I didn't like it. I returned it. Go on their page and see what's good to mix it with. Go on there and see, or see if you got something home to mix it with. I have told y'all several times, this, I forgot the name of a perfume that I have down here. It mixes well with everything. It's everything. But mix your perfumes. I'm going to mix this one with the next one I'm going to show y'all today. And I'm walking out the door like that. Okay? Oh, wow. The jasmine on me is very powerful in this. And the bergamot. The jasmine, the bergamot, maybe that's some vanilla too. And the broom flower, very powerful. And look how much you get. A lot. Very powerful on me with this one. Very powerful. Once again, if you do not know, their mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Okay? So this one I love. And Tom Ford can run anywhere, y'all already know, from $150 and up. So I really wanted to try this because with higher end perfumes, a lot of them I find I bought and I didn't like. I don't know why, but I like this one. So this one's going to stay on this arm. And we're going to see what this one smells like. This one is Tom Ford's Oud Wood, O-U-D. And they call it Fergery Oud. Let me take that. So y'all can see. Because I'm not saying the name right probably. So the top notes are rosewood, tobacco, pink pepper, and coriander. So that the peppers might go good together. They're both Tom Fords. The middle note is oud, patchouli, and vetiver. And the base note is tonka bean, labdanum, and cedarwood. This one has a 15% concentrate. Let's see. Let's see which one I like better. They're both Tom Ford. One is more sweet and jasmine, and one is more like tobacco-y, you know, with the oud. It doesn't have all that sweet stuff because the jasmine has, you know, jasmine, broom flower, vanilla, clary sage, bergamot, all that. You know what I'm saying? I like both of them. I like both of them. I'm going to see how I like them mixed. I'm going to spray the oud where I sprayed the jasmine. I think I like the oud more than I like the jasmine, which is surprising me. And I'm going to spray the jasmine where I sprayed the oud. I think I'm going to spray myself. Because like I said, I'm getting ready to go to church. I like both. But I think that I like the oud. So the oud. And they smell good together. They smell, the oud for me is gonna be better for me, and then the jasmine. I like both. I'm gonna use both. But if you ask me which one I like better, it's gonna be the oud. That's the one I like better. And I have sprayed them both on me. I just want to let it marinate. I love it. This is gonna be your oud is gonna be your. Now mixing them together can be either one. Oud is going to be, I'm going out with this man tonight for the first time. I'm going out on a date. You know, I'm going to a wedding. Oud seems to me is good. I'm getting more of my higher end traveling, going out. Like if I'm going out of town, I may want to take oud. Jasmine to me is going to work, going to church, brunch with the girls. It's going to be jasmine. It's more of that hangout type of thing where oud is more to me, in my opinion, y'all may think differently. The oud to me is more sophisticated, more of your sophisticated scent. Okay, so if you want to purchase these, I know it may be backwards, but I'm going to put it down below. I love both of them. I actually love both of them mixed. I love both of them mixed. I love the scent. It's there. I can smell it. It's not overpowering, but I can smell it. I normally put a oil on first so it can stick. I am still going to oil and lotion because I haven't done that yet today. These are Eau de Perfume. The oud is Eau de Perfume. The jasmine is Eau de Perfume. If you don't know the difference, Eau de Perfumes are normally oil-based, so they last on your skin a lot longer. When you purchase an Eau de Toilette, it is not oil-based, and you may have to reapply it or respray it. But I can tell y'all, when I use these Dossier perfumes, like no lie, I don't have to respray it. I can come home and get ready to take a shower late in the evening after work, and I still smell these on me. So they are concentrated and they are oil based. And like I told y'all, sometimes I put an oil on my skin and that keeps it on even longer. But I have had no problems out of this perfume. I have had one that I kind of didn't care for on me. but it's okay. Not every fragrance are you going to like on you. This is why you get to try them and return them if you don't like them. But out of all the ones y'all see me review and I've showed y'all, there's only been one that I probably don't care for as much as any of the other ones. And so that is a great rating. Thank you, Dossier. There is a coupon code down below, you guys. Shop, get it together, get ready. This is thebomb.com. If you don't know about the company, go read up about it. They do bundles. You can mix and match. And you have a coupon or discount code below. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.